Hey guys, welcome back. Forgot these. Today I'm gonna be doing like a farm tour kind of thing, and we're gonna see, and kind of a riding video, I guess. But I don't know where the horses are. There they are. Alrighty, that one there is Rosie. It's a female. She kind of bucks a little bit. And then this is Dawson. Come here, Dawson. This is Dawson. He's 15, I think. Yep. Okay, now let's go ride. Okay. So those are the horses, the goats, and chickens and stuff back there. I'll show y'all ducks in a minute. But right now, I'm just gonna go on the trails a little bit. What was clicking? This is the fence line. We just put this up probably like a month or two ago because we just got those horses. I'm gonna go back there. I don't know if y'all saw that. I'm gonna go back towards the shooting range. That's a lot of acres. Sorry if it's kind of bumpy, but you know. I think I just saw lizards on that log. Back there's a creek, but it's all brushed down through there. It'd be hard to drive through there, so we're just gonna go up through here. Oh. Sorry if it's a little bumpy or shaky. Hopefully there ain't no one down here. Last time I came down, there was someone down here. I don't see no trucks or anything. It don't look like there's anybody up here. There's no one up here. So yeah, this is where I ride a lot. We have a couple mud holes down here we'll go through. And one day, I'll make a video and we'll go down to the creek. And we'll do something down there. I think we might go about that, guys. I had to do something really fast. Hopefully it won't be as shaky anymore. But right now, I'm about to go do some donuts. right here is my donut hole. That's what I call it. I just go in here and do donuts. So let's try this real fast. Oh yeah, it's real shaky. Nah, I can't get there. I'll try to get another donut video up since that didn't work. But normally after I do donuts, I come through here, hit fourth gear, go to this corner and slide. Just like that. Those are my ducks. Oh, I forgot I told y'all I was trying to. Okay, so in here are the duckies and some chickens. Gotta lock this gate back. Alright. So, those are our ducks. Right there. And then we got the chickens. Some chickens. These are for a non-profit organization. But back here, we have the really tiny chickens. And those right there, they're full size. So they're really small. And that's the rooster. And then those are the hens. And they actually do lay eggs too. I'm gonna check for some eggs if I need to. Because the ducks, they don't lay in nesting boxes. They just lay randomly. There could be one anywhere. Just gotta look. Go in here. I don't see any eggs. They might have already come out here and gotten them, but. Alright. Alright. Yes, I did get a new unit. It said 2009 Honda Foreman 500. Alright, I think that's it for the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Share this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.